Namaste friends. One of the biggest myths regarding the biodegradable product is biodegradables can be thrown anywhere. We have taken here one scenario. Assume you have purchased a shampoo bottle from a store. On the label you read biodegradable. You think it is eco-friendly and can be thrown anywhere as it would not cause any damage to environment. What do you think? Is it correct? We had asked the same question in our survey and got this result. The fact is, though the product is biodegradable, it can't be carelessly thrown anywhere. Generally, if people read label as biodegradable bottle, they think that it's eco-friendly. But that's only half truth. There can be two possible scenarios here. First, the bottle is capable to perfectly biodegrade in natural environment. It will require basic necessity to biodegrade as soil, moisture and other essential environmental agents. But if that bottle is thrown in with plastic wrapped around it, there is large possibility that it would be laying somewhere at dump yard, never to get disintegrate soon into natural ingredients that it is made up from. Second, that bottle is capable to biodegrade in specific controlled environmental conditions, especially in industrial conditions. In such cases, it is mentioned in small font somewhere on the bottle. These items are biodegradable in company premises with specific treatment, so they need to be returned to original producer for this operation. But the overemphasis on only the term biodegradable often mislead and end up being as bad as other non-biodegradable products. There is a term for this conduct. It's called greenwashing. Greenwashing is when you put a label on something to make people think it's environmentally benign, when it isn't. It is the malicious effort to project benefits of the product or process and invest more in marketing than on the actual good work. Before going further, let us look at dictionary meaning of some essential terms. Biodegradable. Merriam-Webster defines it as capable of being broken down, especially into innocuous products, by the action of living things such as microorganisms. Innocuous means harmless. And second, eco-friendly, which is not environmentally harmful. Compostable plastic suffer from a similar issue in that they also need heat to break down. These plastics need to warm to at least 120 degrees Celsius to melt. While compostable plastic is biodegradable, the opposite is not always true. Theoretically speaking, biodegradable means the material should break down into water, carbon dioxide and minerals. However, this is not the case with all plastics. Also, many of the plastics that are biodegradable only degrade at very specific temperatures and also need optimal levels of light, water and oxygen for the same. And even then, they leave behind residues which are toxic for the environment. There is another big misconception about bio-based plastic. Every bio-based plastic may not be biodegradable. They can only be partially recycled. Because many bio-based plastics such as bio-PET do have chemical structure identical to fossil-based products like polyethylene. Here, one essential thing to keep in mind is biodegradable plastics are not designed to degrade in water. United Nations Environment Programme had quoted as, "Plastics marked as biodegradable do not degrade rapidly in the ocean." National and international standards have been developed to define terms such as compostable and biodegradable, which refer exclusively to terrestrial systems, most typically to industrial composting, in which temperatures are expected to increase 50 degrees Celsius for extended period of weeks or months. So next time you see a biodegradable plastic product, do read label in detail and please do not throw it anywhere. It would be best to categorize it under recyclable products from where it may get a chance to re-enter into the next useful life cycle. Some wonderful links to go for further reading are given in description. And finally, thank you so much for your valuable time. Please like, share and subscribe and hit this bell icon to get notified of our next video. Thank you.